Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we are going to be talking about things that you shouldn't post on your shorts, things that you shouldn't post on your YouTube shorts. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is OGOM'S, your one and only YouTube masterclass first class holder, which means that you can come here to get your YouTube tips and your YouTube growth, okay? If you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, give this video a huge and massive thumbs up, share, and we will be right back. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. So we are always being told post short, post short, post short. Short give subscribers, short give views, short do this one, short do that one. Now let me know in the comment section, do you post shorts on your channel? Are you of the impression or the narration that I don't love posting shorts or I post shorts? Let me know in the comment section, do you post shorts? Do you not post shorts? Let me know in the comment section. Now, some people have this mindset that shorts is a harm to a channel. Now, let me also know in the comment section, do you believe that shorts harm channel? Let me know in the comment section. Now, is shorts a harm to the channel or is shorts not a harm to the channel? Shorts can be a harm to your channel when you are posting contents that are not related to your long form contents. There are things that you shouldn't post on your shorts because we know that there are some people that have a very short time span in watching videos. Now, if you go to Instagram have this algorithm that the videos that they post there should just be short form videos because people just glance through. They just want to watch like 10 seconds video and go their way. There are some audience that love short form content and there are some audience that love long form content, okay? But in a way whereby we all want that fast subscribers or want that fast viewers, you need to know the things that you should post whereby you can attract your short form audience to your long form audience. Is that possible? Yes, it is possible. Now, number one thing you shouldn't post on your shorts is posting videos that are not related to your long form content. Now, come back, let me explain this. When I mean posting videos that are not related to your long form content, as a content creator, we all have different niche that we post on our channel. If you're a content creator that creates content around fitness, there is no business with you posting short form content that is lifestyle, because the shorts that you're posting on your long form content, there are audience for it. And then on your long form content, if you're posting fitness on your short form content, there is no way your short form audience will come to your long form content to come and watch your lifestyle. I am not your audience, but there are ways to do things. If you want to keep your long form audience long term, you need to be posting fitness on your shorts and fitness on your long form content. Now, whenever you post your fitness content on your shorts, write on the caption, long video or full video is on my YouTube channel. Now, if it's an audience, maybe you have created a content on your shorts on ingredients or belly fat juice to lose belly fat. You will just post the finished products and write in the caption, full video on my channel. Now that person will know, okay, the full video is on her channel. He or she will click on your channel, go and watch the full video on your long form content. You can see a way whereby you have attracted your short form audience to your long form audience. If you're posting lifestyle content, you have no business posting Big Brother Naija on your shorts because you are attracting audience that wants only Big Brother Naija. If they don't want it, if you're not posting Big Brother Naija on your long form content, they are not going to watch your long form content of your lifestyle. That is why they will say the subscribers that you get from your shorts, that are not interested in your long form content. You will see a channel that is 100,000 subscribers, and when you go to the views, you'll be seeing 10 views, 15 views, 100 views. Maybe the person is getting short form subscribers and not long form viewers. I don't know if you understand this. So if you're a fitness content creator, please post your fitness on both sides. If you're posting your lifestyle, make sure you are posting the lifestyle on your shorts and also posting the lifestyle on your long form. If you're a food content creator, if you post the finished product of the food you have prepared on your shorts, make sure that you are posting the long form on your long form content, so that you will tell them the full video is on your channel. They will click to watch the full video on how you have made that jollof rice, or how you have made egusi soup, or how you have made kekeke. What's this Ghana food, this popular Ghana food, that one that they do in their mortar. So that everything will be aligning. I know there are still some subscribers that you get from your shorts that are not interested in your long form content. Shorts are a way for you to get sharp subscribers. If you want to get monetized sharp, post shorts. But make sure that the shorts you're posting, you are also posting on your long form content, and you are consistent on your long form content. Not all your short viewers can be converted to your long form content. So know this and know peace. That is for our number 1 point. So if you see me looking down, I wrote some things down, okay? Now, another thing that you shouldn't post on your shorts is content that have TikTok logo. Did you hear me? Videos that have TikTok logo. If you go to YouTube guideline or the YouTube community guideline, you will see a way whereby you can get paid through your shorts is that you are not posting content that have other social media logo in your videos. If you know that you want to post videos that you have gotten from your Instagram or your Facebook or your TikTok, make sure you go to any site, remove the logo and post it on your shorts. They should not see the logo of your TikTok on your videos. If not, you are not going to get paid in that particular short. Okay, so people will be asking, do you get paid for your shorts? You get paid for your shorts. So if you haven't been posting shorts, go and post your shorts. Shorts are a way for you to get subscribers, or another way for you to grow your channel. But be mindful. Mind what you post on your short, because shorts can take down your channel. Yes, that channel that you have built 3 years, 4 years, just one video that you post on your shorts can bring down the hard work you have put in. So be careful what you post on your short. So our second point is, do not post videos with TikTok logo or Instagram logo or Facebook logo or any site that you go to. Do not post videos that have any other social media platform logo with it. Okay? Now, another thing that you shouldn't post on your shorts is videos without subtitles. Now, when I mean by videos without subtitle is that when you are trying to capture your audience, when you are trying to retain audience, if you are posting any video, make sure you are putting a subtitle. If your video is how to make jollof rice, how to make belly fat juice, make sure that the meaning or what your video is all about is on the subtitle. How to make belly fat juice. Even if there is a way for you to retain the subtitle throughout the video, so that if anyone should scroll the video past can see what the video is all about. Sometimes I tend to do that, sometimes I don't. I will just leave the subtitle for like maybe 5 seconds, then the rest of the video will be blank. But if there is a way for you to maintain the subtitle so that people will know what the video is all about, it's another way for you to keep your audience glued. Okay? Now, if you go to your shorts algorithm or your shorts analytics, you will see, this thing they said, people that swiped away or people that stayed back. I don't really have a picture, but I will look for a picture and put it on the screen. That is the people that saw that particular content and swiped away. They did not watch it. And then you will also see the percentage of people that watch that particular shorts, okay? The higher the people stay in that particular video, the higher the average percentage. So make sure that you put subtitle in your shorts so that people can stay longer in that particular short. Even if it's 5 seconds, just a subtitle and what the video is all about can make that subscriber or that audience to watch that particular video. Even when the video finish, they will scroll it down to watch again to understand what that video is all about. So make sure that you are posting videos with subtitle. Don't post video without subtitle on your shorts, okay? Now, another video that you shouldn't post on your shorts is video that have no head. You no get head, you no get tail, you no get middle, you no get meaning. You will just see any video you will carry from wherever you have brought it to whom you have posted on your shorts.
This man is fucked, man. I can stand his guts.
I am beginning. I'm gonna get fuck. I'm gonna fuck. You wait that one. You wait that one, Roma. Why is the ball fuck? You might even fuck. You might get your fuck, come on.
Some people will just stay and be watching the video. They will say, what is the meaning of this video? What is happening on this video? What message is you trying to portray? Even if you are trying to get subscribers or get the viewers, if the video no get meaning, people go still no watch am. So post videos that have meaning. Post videos that can educate people. Post videos that can make people laugh. Post videos that can inspire or motivate people. If that video no get meaning, please delete it from your phone. Do it now. Do it now. I'm looking at you. Delete it. If any video is on your phone, you no get meaning, you no get head, you no get tail, you no get middle, you no even get center, you no get middle. Delete it from your phone. Don't post it. I know it's the videos that you thought that are not going to do well are going to do well. So the end point or the message I am trying to pass in this point is, do not post video that have no meaning in your shorts, all in the name that you want subscribers or you want the viewers. Now, another video that you shouldn't post on your shorts is videos that are not filmed in the portrait format. Now, shorts has its own format for filming. Now, your short videos are filmed in portrait form, which is like this, okay? How do I make example? Which can be filmed like this, okay? Now, your long form content is videos filmed like this, okay? Whenever you on your video, make sure that the recording button is showing here. But the recording button of your long form content should be showing by the side here. That is what it means. All the videos for your shorts should be filmed on the portrait format. Now, if you're filming any video and the video is on for landscape, if you post it on your shorts, it's going to cut out. But if it's a video that you have filmed on the portrait, like it was straight like this, like a statue, that video will still maintain its form throughout the video. But if it's a video that maybe is your long form content and you want to post it on your shorts, you will see maybe your head will be cutting or your ear will be cutting or half of your head will be cutting. So videos that you film on your portrait, you can post it on your shorts. But videos for your long form, please push it to your long form, okay? That is for our next point. Now, another video you shouldn't post on your shorts is videos with poor lighting. Yes, in as much as we are trying to meet up with the posting time, maybe on the shorts community, they have told us to be posting every day to qualify maybe for a gift, or posting every day to be on the shorts community. If that video has very poor lighting, people still are not going to watch it because they will see the video where it's cloudy. They will just swipe through and go. So please, if you're trying to film your shorts, even if it's sharp video, after filming it, take it to another platform, brighten up the video before you post it. Even some of the videos that we still post on our Instagram, we should treat all of our social media platform like our business. We should take it seriously. If you put in enough effort while filming your Instagram videos, you should also put in enough effort when you're filming your YouTube shorts. Everything should be bright, everything should be popping. In that way, people will stay to watch that particular video, okay? You can transform your short form audience to your long form audience by just one thing that they have watched in your shots. Maybe it can be the way you have portrayed your message. Maybe like anything can attract someone to subscribe to your. It takes confidence, and it takes just small thing for someone to click on the subscribe button on our YouTube channel. Oh. Yes, just one thing someone might have noticed or watched and liked in your content. The person will just click on the subscribe button so that he or she can come back for more content. So any video that you are filming, whether it's the short form content, whether it's the long form content, make sure you put in your best. Put out good light video, good quality video. Me where they talk, this one you dey watch now, shebi the quality is okay, shebi the light is giving,
The thing goes.
I'm trying my best, I know, but we need more effort. Put in more effort. If you need to earn from any platform that you are, you need to put in the effort in order for people to see the effort that you have put in, because effort gives results, and results give growth, and growth gives success. Shebi I got it. Those that speak English well, shebi I got this. So you should know the things you post on your shorts. That is the bottom line. The moral lesson of this video is that in as much as videos are everywhere, you can get video from any social media platform and come and post on your YouTube shorts. Be mindful. One video can take down your channel. One video can demonetize your channel, but God forbid our channel will not be demonetized. In spite of our hard work, we will be putting in the hard work and be seeing the success and be seeing the result. But we need to be mindful. Mind what you post on your shorts. Do not post Big Brother. Not say Big Brother has finished. Do not post Big Brother, even if it's on your long form content or your short form content. Yes, do not post it, because YouTube is gonna take down your channel. Just, you won't even know. One day they will send a mail to you. Your channel has been demonetized due to reused content. And people will be asking, what is reused content? And YouTube will not even tell you, this is a particular video whereby we are demonetizing you. Please, YouTube, in case you get to see this video, maybe in the future, you get to make me your brand influencer, and you see this video, please, whenever you demonetize people, always tell them the video that got them demonetized. In that way, they will not do it again. But some of them, they get coconut head. Not some of us. I don't get coconut head, but I get small. They get coconut head. Even after telling them, they will still go and post. YouTube na robot. Oyibo people, you cannot swindle them. No, they're very smart. YouTube is very sensitive. Their rules and regulation is getting stricter and strictest by the day. So mind what you post on your shorts. If you have other content that people shouldn't post on their shorts, please leave it in the comment section. I know you enjoyed this particular video. Give this video thumbs up. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Today is Vlog October waiting. I don't even know. We dey do Vlog October. Any day where we see, we go post. So please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a huge and massive thumbs up. Share. Zisalu Mozia, Tosalu Mozia. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Before you finish, you see the fuck up. You see the Megrima. Let me tell you. This one at the last time. You don't hear me? Yes, sir.
Try how many plenty, solitude to feed my soul until I